If you want to lock your iPhone to just one app, here's how to use guided access to do it fast and easy. Start by opening Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on Guided Access. Then toggle it on. Next, go into passcode settings to set a special guided access code or enable Face ID. Next, open the app you want locked. Triple click the side button or home button on older iPhones or use Siri to say turn on guided access. Then you will see a mask overlay. You can drag to disable touch in specific areas like ads or buttons. After that, tap Options to disable the side or volume buttons, motion sensor, on-screen keyboard, or even set a time limit. Then tap Start to begin. Your iPhone will now stay locked in that app. And to exit, triple click the side button or home button again, then enter your code or use your Face ID and tap End. That's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.